Today we talk about how can you back up on your Getcontact app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here money down here. So when you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on chat backup, just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. And here can you just click here on backup now, or here can you use here auto backup. Just click on it and can you select here if you want to add it daily or weekly or monthly here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.